What type of rati? We have Parakiya Bhav and Madhura Rati. And then they say, Kushala Swatman. We are those spiritually advanced persons. We are your lovers. So the first line they're saying, first let us identify who we are. Kurvanti hi twayi ratim kushla swatman. So we are Kushla, then he says, and we always focus our love on you, Krishna. So Swatma means we have rati for you, we are Kushla, we are expert transcendentalists, we are affectionate and faithful, and our Twahi Ratim, our rati, our permanent loving mood, our sthai rati is for you, and conjugal love, or amorous love, and you are our very self, Swatma. So now, then they say, so first they identify, this is who we are. And knowing, now you know who we are, all your instructions about telling us to go back to our husbands and families and relatives don't apply at all because we're totally liberated and transcendental. So first they were reminding Krishna through Parokshavad by indicating expert transcendentalists always direct their affection, rati. Rati means affection. Rati means a permanent loving mood also. It means complete attachment. And Rati is also the name of the wife of Kandarpa or Kamadev. Because if you have lust, then what goes right along with it? Attachment. Lust means intense desire to possess something. Although generally the implication of the word kam or lust is the intense attachment for man and woman. But the word kam actually has a broader application and definition because kam means simply desire. Dharma, art, kam, moksha. So when we talk about performing dharma, that doesn't mean religion. It means following the rules and regulations of your ashram and your varna. So if you do that, then you're rewarded by Krishna. So the wife of Kamdev, the lord and controller of desire, the instigator of desire, is Rati. And Rati is attachment.